Imagine you have a video idea. You write it down in one line, hit enter, and get a fully produced, 2-hour-long, ready-to-publish video. That's not a concept. That's happening right now. Long-form creators are already using this, and most people have no idea it exists. You probably know the 5 to 10-second AI video generators. This is nothing like that. Today, I'm showing you how to generate videos that are 2-3 hours long or even more in a single generation. The tool is called North Noir. The link is in the description or just search it on Google. Sign up and you land on this interface. It's built specifically for long-form creators. Everything you need to produce a full-length video is in one place. Click on Video Generator you get 2 modes, quick generation and detailed settings. Quick generation is straightforward. Pick your format, write a title, set the language, generate, done. But the real control is in detailed settings. That's where you choose the voiceover, visual style, animation effects, and more. That's what we're using today. Detailed settings has 4 steps. Let me walk you through each one. Step 1 is story configuration. You have 3 options here. Create a new story from scratch. Select one you've already generated inside North Noir, or upload your own existing script. We'll go with create a new story. Write your video title. I'm making a documentary-style video right now, so I'll use this as my reference and write the title based on that. Then add a short 1 or 2 line description of what the video covers. Now choose the duration. North Noir goes all the way up to 1,200 minutes. Yes, that's 20 hours. I'll set it to 20 minutes for this demo. Select your language. Turn on Enhance Prompt and move to Step 2. Step 2 is audio. This is where you choose your speaker. You can preview each voice before selecting hit play, listen, and pick the one that fits the tone of your video.
Under the crimson glow of the setting sun, the old light.
Under the crimson
glow of the setting sun, the old lighthouse stood.
Once you're happy with it, move down to Step 3. You choose how visuals appear in your video. Images only, video clips, motion graphics, or a combination of all 3. Since the channel I'm referencing uses images, I'll go with image generation. Select your image model. I'm going with Grok. Then choose your image style. I'll go with realistic animation for this one. Now scroll down and turn on character consistency. This is important, especially for longer videos. It keeps your characters looking the same from scene to scene throughout the entire video. Step 3 done. Move to Step 4. Step 4 is your animation and effects layer. For animation, I'll select horizontal drift. Gives the images a smooth, cinematic movement. For effects, I'll go with fire flare. All 4 steps are set. Now click Analyze. North Noir shows you the token cost, estimated generation time, and a summary of your settings before you commit. Once everything looks right, click Start Generation. And that's it. North Noir takes it from here. While the video generates, if you're getting value from this, hit subscribe. And if you've only ever used short clip generators before, just try North Noir once. The output quality is genuinely different from anything else out there right now. The video is ready. Let's play it.
In the summer of 2005, 4 men climbed into the Hindu Kush mountains of eastern Afghanistan carrying everything they needed to survive, and everything they were willing to die for. By 2005, the war in Afghanistan had entered a deceptive and dangerous new phase. The initial American-led invasion of 2001 had toppled the Taliban regime with stunning speed, scattering its fighters into the mountains and across the Pakistani border. But the Taliban had not been destroyed. It had simply retreated, reorganized, and waited. By the middle of the decade, insurgent activity was surging across eastern Afghanistan, particularly in Kunar province, a rugged, mountainous region along the Pakistani border that had become one of the most contested stretches of territory in the entire conflict.
That's the quality you're getting. I've uploaded the full version to the description so you can watch the complete output if you want to see more. North Noir link is in the description. Try it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you want to see how to clone a channel that makes $15,000 a month using this exact method, that video is on screen right now.